The necessity for your business to have an outstanding online presence and website has never been greater. Our digital marketing agency can bring your brand to the masses and ensure your image online is nothing short of impressive. We are constantly aware of the current and historical online marketing industry statistics and trends, as well as customer behavioral trends that affect your business. We are at the front lines of this industry as we constantly test online marketing techniques based on our research and what we have been learning over the years. More importantly, we have the desire to make your business much more successful. No one knows your business and your goals more than you do. We take the time to listen and understand your business, products, services, and who and where your customers and competitors are. We also take note of your past marketing activities to give us a clearer picture of how to help you. Who we are and our approach enables us to provide a unique consulting experience to you. Through our in-depth engagement, a customized plan to expand your online presence and increase the attractiveness of your brand will be created. We follow a cycle beginning with an in-depth consultation to identify your needs and determine the best strategy for you. We then measure and analyze the results and listen to your feedback so that we can make our online marketing efforts for you a success. Not all businesses have a strong online presence or an online presence at all, and that's why their sales are plummeting. Inquiries are dwindling, the shop is quieter than ever, and you're left wondering why, even with lower prices and better products, customers seem to be favoring the competition. You do not want to be like those businesses. You want to market your products and services online, and you do not like the thought that your prospective customers do not even know that your business exists. You want to increase awareness about your brand and get more leads and sales. Well, that's a good start, and you're on the right track. 91% of people online use search engines frequently. 78% of consumers also use online media before shopping locally. This means that your customers were never gone. They simply moved online and are using search engines and social media to find local businesses they can shop from. If they can't find you, they can't buy from you. Here's more. 66.8% of internet users prefer Google over other search engines. If you dominate Google, you'll dominate the search rankings and your business will be visible to your prospects. But what does it take exactly to dominate Google? Having a website, assuming you have one, is not enough. You need to optimize it for search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Optimizing websites is called SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO ensures your web pages are crawled and indexed by search engine robots. With proper SEO, you'll know what keywords your prospects are using when they're looking for products and services you provide. We can then optimize your web pages with these keywords so that Google's search algorithm will rank your pages higher. The higher they rank, the easier your prospects will find your site and the faster they can buy from your store or service. Are you a local business? You should know that 59% of consumers use Google every month to find a good local business. Without SEO, you're hiding your local business from 3 of your 5 prospects. To make sure they can find you, you can use local marketing optimization, or what we call local buzz. This ensures your business also comes up when they're searching online maps, reviews, local directory listings, and check-ins in your area of operation. If you're looking to turbocharge your local online marketing efforts and want to focus on a marketing effort external to your website in the local, mobile, and social arena, then you want to know more about our Local Buzz product. And what about prospects searching for products and services using Facebook, Twitter, and other social networks? After all, 1 in every 6 minutes spent online is now spent on social media. Use social media optimization to ensure your business is present and visible in social networks, especially Google+. Google's very own social platform can give your SEO efforts an extra boost. Use PPC or pay-per-click marketing if you're in a hurry to reach the first page of Google. PPC displays your ads alongside search results instantly. It's perfect for websites with an online sales funnel ready for markets where keyword competition is very high. And you only pay when your ads are clicked, so it's also cost-effective. Similarly, PPC remarketing lets you display banner ads to people who have visited your site and left. This gives you another chance to drive them back to your website so that you can get that lead or sale. They see your ads, you get brand exposure, and again, you only pay when your ads are clicked. But what if your business already comes up in the top search engine results, but the results are undesirable, like pages containing negative reviews? Use online reputation management. While we cannot fabricate reviews for you, we can publish your genuine customer reviews in the right places, ensuring that positive results push down the negative ones. To increase your brand reputation online, we also publish positive media and content to your social media accounts, external blogs, website, and published press releases. We also have the software and expertise available to monitor your online reviews, help you recruit new positive reviews, mediate negative reviews, and much more. Remember that all these services aim to drive traffic back to your website, and if that website is not mobile responsive, then we're wasting precious marketing money. A Google study shows that 67% of customers are more likely to buy from a website that is mobile friendly. 48% feel frustrated when viewing a non-mobile friendly website. Getting a mobile responsive website helps you to convert into leads and sales the traffic your website receives. And because mobile internet users will outnumber desktop internet users this year, having a mobile responsive site means you are preparing your business for the future. And finally, before you start any form of optimization, always ensure your website gets a thorough audit. A professional website audit ensures your site has no underlying problems that will keep the search engines from finding it and ranking it. After all, your website may suffer greatly due to algorithm updates like Google Panda and Penguin. You need to make sure your website is in compliance with the latest search engine updates, and our professional website audit will let you know what needs to be modified on your website to ensure compliance. If your competitors are serious about growing their business and gaining more customers, they are probably employing one or more of these services. Do not be left behind. You can still get more leads and sales and beat your competition in the online arena. We want to get to know you, your business, your needs, and what needs to get done to make your business successful. Our passion comes from the desire to see your business grow. Give us a call today to see how we can help market your business online successfully.